Have you ever wondered if sharing the same air as someone sick could instantly make you ill, especially with something like tuberculosis? It is important to know that while tuberculosis, or TB, is an airborne disease, you generally do not catch it simply from casually breathing the same air in passing. TB spreads when an individual with active lung TB expels tiny germs into the air, but close, prolonged contact is usually required for transmission. The core mechanism of TB transmission involves microscopic droplets containing Mycobacterium tuberculosis, the bacteria that causes TB when a person with active TB disease in their lungs coughs, sneezes, or even sings and speaks. They releases these tiny droplets into the air. If you inhale enough of these droplets, and the conditions are right for the bacteria to settle and multiply in your lungs, then infection can occur. Factors like the number of bacteria expelled, the length of time you are exposed, and the ventilation of the shared space all play a significant role. To help protect yourself and others, especially if you know someone with active TB disease, it is wise to maintain good ventilation in shared indoor spaces. Consider limiting prolonged close contact until the infected person is no longer contagious, and practice good respiratory hygiene, which means covering coughs and sneezes. If you have been in close contact with someone diagnosed with active TB, it is always recommended to speak with a healthcare professional about getting tested. It is also key to understand the difference between TB infection and TB disease. Many people can be infected with the TB bacteria without ever developing active TB disease. This is called latent TB infection. People with latent TB do not have symptoms and cannot spread the bacteria to others, which means simply being infected does not automatically make you a transmitter. Only individuals with active TB disease in their lungs or throat can spread the germs. Understanding that TB transmission requires specific conditions, rather than just any shared breath, can empower you to take appropriate preventive measures without unnecessary worry. Focusing on these practical insights helps in protecting your health and the well-being of your community with clear, actionable knowledge.